says, I'm no longer a slave to sin. He says, should I sin that I'm in grace? No. God forbid. Sin abound. Grace abound. Come on, talk. The fact of the matter is that he saved me from it. So if I'm still doing it, it's not because he didn't save me from it. It's because I kept my mouth quiet. Because every time I ever opened my mouth when I was on the midst of sinning, he stepped in and saved me. But the times in which I sinned when I was being tempted, it was because I kept my mouth quiet. Am I talking to anybody? Oh, you want to play me in the balcony? You know for yourself that when you yield to temptation, it's by choice. It's not because you don't have the power. Stop saying, I can't help myself. Open up your mouth and say louder. If you would, help me right now. Every time I've ever opened up my mouth and said, Lord, help me right now, he has made a way to escape. He's never put more on me than I can bear. Every time I've been in a situation and I wanted out, I said, Jesus, save me. Turn the mic up. Every time I wanted him to turn around and help me, I said, Jesus, save me. Stop your neighbor and say, he's my savior.
He's my savior.
He saved me from some stuff. Now I know some of y'all feel like